But we're not gonna go in jail or something, right? Yeah, no. Okay. They are going to talk with an officer because we got a ticket. Now, we are at Atlantic Ocean. Welcome to East Hampton.
Where we are going tomorrow, Juma?
We are going to East Hampton.
And what are we gonna do there?
We're gonna swim, we're gonna chill on the beach. Oh, he's doing push-ups. Look at him. Look how Tomas is excited to swim in Atlantic Ocean.
Yeah, destination.
Now, we are at Atlantic Ocean. Welcome to East Hampton.
Mythological thing. I've never seen these kinds of waves. It's my first time near the ocean.
It was
It's fucking amazing, man. It's amazing.
Look at these waves.
Yes, Europe. It's perfect for surfing.
Okay, this is 3 Lithuanian guys running just into the water with huge waves.
Okay, so lifeguard didn't let us to stay there. We are going to another beach. So we got the fucking ticket. $150. It's very nice. Remember?
Because this village guy doesn't know how to read signs.
Fuck you. So, where are we going?
Yeah, Egypt. Beach.
Egypt. What, we are in Egypt? Mighty jungles, the lion sleeps tonight.
Violator subject to $250. Fuck you.
Wait.
Fucking, we can't swim, we can't park, we just have to pay everyone.
What's the reason to come in the fucking beach if you can't do anything?
Wait, there's no after your dog. No, maybe that's about the pets. Consider citizens pick up after their pets. But...
A few hours later, in a fucking prison.
Fucked up day. Fucked up.
Why fucked up?
Why fucked up? We're wasting our money for nothing. We can't swim. We can't park the car.
What the fuck, America?
We have to buy fucking gasoline.
What the
we have
fuck?
to buy food, blood. Pay.
Just pay. Just pay money. Just pay money.
Guys, I think that's this guy with the red pants.
yeah, well, maybe we should ask him like, please, can we swim?
Hi. Yeah, if you're gonna do it, you don't want to do it in front of a place with a lifeguard stand, because if they're saying don't swim, then they're not responsible for you.
Oh, okay. What about that place?
That's a bunch of surfers in there. You can walk down there and jump in quick there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, do that.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
But we're not gonna go in jail or something, right?
Yeah, no.
Okay.
I don't care about jail, I care about money. If you're gonna say like you have to pay, fuck you, bled. It's better to go to the jail, bled. I don't want to waste my money.
And don't work.
You know what the good stuff is like? As long as you are not in the area of lifeguards, you can swim and it's fine. You're not gonna go in jail. Because when you're like swimming out of area of lifeguards, that is not their responsibility. So you can do whatever you want.
Yeah, but the thing is, the jail is fine. But the tickets, oh my god.
Fucking enjoy it.
Yeah.
Just fucking enjoy it. It's fucking amazing.
Fucking enjoy it.
Oh shit! It's madness. This is fucking madness. I tried to catch the wave with my body, and she hit me in the chest, in the stomach, and I was like, what do you feel?
It's amazing and the same as like you feel like you are nothing, like you're a piece of shit and you can't handle it.
It's very powerful.
It's
Juma, are you happy?
I am.
This is the third lesson of how to Hospital Team TV.
So today we're having a shallow boxing session, and I will show you like 3 main things when you're going to fight with some people and
Or see nature.
yeah. So first, always you have to protect your chin, so your chin goes down, so other hand goes to the chin and you have to protect the face, and other hand goes like this, and basically you do like 3 main punches: straight, hook, hook, and then how you can fight. So and Osvaldas gonna show it. He's my fucking.
But I improved it. I don't defend myself like this. I go like this. What happened, Juma? Tell me.
We got 2 tickets for just 1 day. The other ticket
And
is
how much?
so much.
First one and the second one.
First one is 150 and the second one is $80, as you can see here. So we are so lucky.
They are going to talk with an officer because we got a ticket for parking. We didn't put our ticket on the dashboard. It's fucking amazing.
He said that you should go to this court and try to tell them that there is like a ticket up, actually.
And I'm feeling good.
Anytime I need you, let me go. Anytime I need you, let me know. Anytime I see you, let me know. But I'm ready to see you, let me know. I'm gonna leave what I'm
To conclude this day, we got two parking tickets and we got kicked out from the beach. I'm sorry we didn't get out, but they said that we can't swim there and so on. But we managed to have a great day off. We swam in the ocean. For me, it was the first time, and we had a great time. Yeah. So I guess that's it. So just finished the NK. This is the best way to finish the off. Just wanted to say, you subscribe, hit the notification bell because there are new videos is coming. See you guys.